I was born by the river in a little tent. And oh, just like that river, I've been running ever since. It's been a long time coming, but I know a change gon' come. Oh, yes it will. It's been too hard living, but I'm afraid to die. 'Cause I don't know what's up there beyond the sky. It's been a long time coming, but I know a change will come. Oh, yes it will. It's been times when I thought I couldn't last this long. But right now I know I have the strength to carry on. It's been a long time coming, but I know a change gon' come. Oh, yes it will. Oh, yes it will. I'm Beyonce Knowles Carter, and I chime for change. If you chime for change, put your lights in the air. At last, my love has come along. Y'all help me sing it. My lonely days are over, and life is like a song. Oh yes, at last the skies above are blue. My heart was wrapped up in clover the night I looked at you. I found a dream that I could speak to, a dream that I can call my own. I found a thrill to press my cheek to, a thrill that I have never known. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. When you smile, you smile. Oh, and then a spell was cast, and here we are in heaven. For you are mine at last, at last, at last, at last, at last. Oh, I want y'all to know that because of all of you guys, we have already raised $4 million for health for women, for education for women, for justice for women. But it's not over tonight. We need y'all to continue to help. And go to www.charmforchange.org and see how you can continue to help. Everybody make some noise. Make some noise. We need y'all to use your voices because there are some women around the world that have no choice to use their voice. I have a question. Do my fellas run this mother? Do my fellas run this mother? Hell no. Do my thugs run this mother? Hell no. Do my dogs run this mother? Hell no. Do my ladies run this mother? Hell yeah. Do my girls run this mother? Hell yeah. Do my ladies run this mother? Do my girls run this mother? Hell yeah! Who run the world? Girls! Who run the world? Girls! Who run the world? Girls! We run the world! Girls! Girls! We run this mother! Yeah! Girls! We run this mother! Yeah! Girls! We run this mother! Yeah! Girls! We run this mother! Here we go! Your check come at their neck. Disrespect us, no they won't. Boy, don't even try to touch this. Boy, this beat is crazy. This is how they made me. Houston, Texas, baby. This goes out to all the girls up in the club, rockin' the ladies who would buy it for themselves and give more money to it. I'm so good with this. I remind you I'm so hood with this. Boy, I'm just playing. Oh, come here, baby. Hope you still like me if you pay me. My persuasion can build a nation. In this power, our love we can devour. Do anything for me. Who run the world? Girls. 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 Who run this mother? Who run this mother? Who run this mother? Who run this mother? Who run the world? Girls. Who run the world? Girls. Who run the world? Girls. Who run the world? Who are we? Who are we? What we run? What do we run? The world. Who run this mother? Who are we? Who are we? What we run? What do we run? The world. Who run this mother? Who are we? Who are we? What do we run? What do we run? The world. We run the world. Who are we? Who are we? What we run? We run the world. Who run the world? Girls. I want y'all to put your fists up. Do we have any survivors in the house? Where my survivors at? Now that you're out of my life, I'm so much better. You thought that I'd be weak without you. I'm stronger. Thought that I'd be broke without you. I'm richer. Thought that I'd be sad without you. I laugh harder. Thought that I would fail without you. I'm wiser. Thought that I'd be helpless without you. Smarter. Thought that I'd be stressed without you. Chilling. Thought I wouldn't sail without you. Millions. What? I want you to celebrate this night with all of us. I want you to think about all of the haters, all of the illness, all of the negativity, and I want you to celebrate that you survived. Yeah. Listen, I'm a survivor. I'm not gonna give up. I will never stop. I will work harder. I will survive. You will survive. We will survive. Yeah. Y'all have no idea how beautiful you look. But I need you to keep those fists pumped. I need you to sing, I'm a survivor. Say, I'm a survivor. Come on, I'm a survivor. I'm a survivor. I need you to get a little bit faster. I'm a survivor. I'm a survivor. Faster. I'm a survivor. If you're having a good time, say yeah. If you're having the time of your life, say yeah. I think y'all can be louder than that. If you're having a good time, I want y'all to help me sing this one. Do y'all think you can help me sing this next song? All right. What I need y'all to do is finally you get your chance to give that person a piece of your mind. Whoever hurt you, female, male, I need y'all to really close your eyes. I need y'all to live in this moment. And I need y'all to sing this with some attitude and some passion. That's what y'all gotta sing. To the left, to the left. Yeah, y'all know what to do. Come on. All right, now, that was about a 10. Come on, y'all. All right, that was about a 5. Come on. Y'all get better. 7. Hey. Everybody in the stands. Just y'all in the stands. Sing it. Now I need you to be loud and put your hands into it. Your arms into it. Come on. What about y'all guys? Come on, say it. Now I need everybody in the stadium to sing it. Hey! Yeah! Everything you own in the box to the left, in the closet, that's my stuff. Yes, if I bought it, baby, please don't touch. Keep talking and mess, that's fine. Can you walk and talk at the same time, man? It's my name, it's on that jack. Move your back, let me call you a cab. Standing in the front yard, telling me how I'm such a fool. Talking about how I'll never ever find a man like you. You got me twisted, you must not know about me. I can have another you in a minute. Matter of fact, he'll be here in a minute. Baby, you must not know about me. You must not know about me. I can have another you, but more. Don't you ever for 1 second get to thinking. Yeah. So go ahead and get gone. Call up that chick and see if she's home. That I didn't know. What did you think I was putting you out for? Because you were untrue, rolling her around in a car that about you. Well, baby, drop them keys. Hurry up before your taxi leaves. Standing in the front yard, telling me how I'm such a fool. Talking about how I'll never ever find a man like you. You got me twisted. You must not know about me. You must not know about me. I can have another you in a minute. Matter of fact, he'll be in a minute, baby. You must not know about me. Baby. Have another you by tomorrow. Don't you ever for a second get there. You're irreplaceable. So sing something like yours. my goodness. Look at you. Say, to the left, to the left. Don't you ever for 1 second get to thinking everything you own in the box to the left. Your turn again. To the left, to the left. Don't you ever for 1 second get to thinking, get to thinking, get to thinking we're collectible, baby. That could happen after you in a minute. No matter that, he'll be here in a minute, baby. You must not know what me, baby. That could happen after you by tomorrow. Don't you ever for 1 second get to thinking, get to thinking. I can have enough for you in a minute, baby. Your irreplaceable.
Everything around you has changed. Life as you know it no longer exists. Nothing looks the same. Nothing feels the same. You dance to keep from crying, but the tears still come. You've become unrecognizable even to yourself. But the clues to who you were, who you are all around to guide you. Isolation brings revelation. You start to peel back the layers. You see every part of yourself. Confused, joyful, fearful, courageous. You fight yourself in order to find yourself. You are the general. Who you were born to be. You are a queen. You are a car. You are a queen, a king.
If I were a boy, even just for 1 day, I'd roll out of bed in the morning, I'd throw on what I wanted and go drink beer with the guys and chase after girls, kicking with who I wanted. Never get confronted for it, 'cause they stick up for me. Sing, if I were, I think I could understand how it feels to love a woman. I swear I'd be a better man. I listen to her. Cause you're taking her for granted, and everything in love got destroyed. If I were a boy, I would turn off my phone, tell everyone's broken, till they think that I was sleeping alone. Yeah, right. Put myself first. I make the rules as I go. 'Cause I know that you're faithful, waiting for me to come home. Come home. It's a little too late for you to come back. Say it's just a mistake. Think I forgive you like that. If you thought I would wait for you, you got wrong. But it's a bittersweet symphony that's alive. You're a million different people from one day to the next. You can't change your mode. No, 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 no. 'Cause you're just a boy. Baby, you'll never understand until you lose the one you wanted. 'Cause you're taking her for granted, and everything you love got destroyed. But you're just y'all can sing it too fast. I said you're just a boy. Y'all ready to have some fun?
Yes, so crazy right now. Most incredibly, it's your girl, B. History in the making, part 2.
You ready?
So crazy right now.
Look, it's that so deep in your eyes. I touch on you more and more every time. When you leave, I'm begging you not to go. Call your name 2, 3 times in a row. Such a funny thing for me to try to explain. How I'm feeling and my pride is the one to blame. Yeah, I still don't understand just how you love you doing no one else can. Y'all sing it. Come on. Come on. Your love. Hey. Your touch. Uh-oh. 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 When I talk to my friends so quietly,
Who we think he is?
look at what you did to me. Tennis shoes don't even need to buy a new dress. If you ain't there, ain't nobody else to impress. It's the way that you know what I gotta do. Beat in my heart, just how I do. They don't understand just how you love me, do no one can. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Young me in the ROC. Big homie, the one and only. Stick only, but the pockets is fat like Tony. Soprano, the rock handle like an X2. I shake homies, man, you can't get next to. The genuine article, I do not sing though. I slink though, if anything, I fling yo. Starlight Ringo, war like a green beret. You crazy, bring your whole set. Chasing in the range, crazy in the rain. They can't figure out, they're like, hey, is he insane? Yes, sir, I'm cut from a different cloth. My texture is the best round chinchilla. I've been iller than Chase Mother. Still niggas got the name over. I've been realer, the game's over. Fall back young, ever since the late crossover. Platinum, the game's been a rap. What?
Give it up for Jason.
So crazy.
Listen, Carter. I don't do this. All right, y'all. I need y'all to go crazy. Get crazy. They ain't loud enough. I want you louder. Come on, baby, you can get louder. I hope y'all had a wonderful night tonight. But I got one thing to say. Ladies and gentlemen, it ain't over. You heard me. I said it ain't over. I need everybody to put your hands up in the air. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. All the single ladies. 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 Put your hands up. Up in the club. You just broke up. I'm doing my own little thing. You decided to dip. Now you want a trip. Cause another brother noticed me. I'm up on him. He up on me. Don't pay him any up. I cried my tears. Gave the 3 good gifts. Can't be mad at me. If you like it, then you should've put a ring on it. If you like it, then you should've put a ring on it. Go over there, I want you to see that you want it. If you like it, then you should've put a ring on it. Beans don't burn in the kitchen. Beans don't burn on the grill. It took a whole lot of trying just to make it up that hill. Now we up in the Middle getting my turn at bat. He would've put a ring on my finger. He could've had all of that. Oh, my single lady. Hey. Oh, my single lady. Hey. Take me to the grill. Don't treat me to these things of the world. I'm not that kind of girl. Your love is what I prefer. What I deserve is a man that makes me and takes me to destiny, to infinity and beyond. From here to yon. Say I'm the one you want. But if you don't, you'll be alone. And like a ghost, I'll be gone. All right, can I take y'all to where I'm from? I'm from the dirty South. And in the dirty South, we get dirty. We get stanky. We get funky. We get nasty. I need y'all to get stanky. Like this. Hey, 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 hey. Sorry, but you ain't thinking enough for me. Say oh 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 say I say I don't know what you came to do. I don't know what you came to do. But I came to clap my hands. I came to do my dance. Now wait, I'm sorry, but you ain't stinking enough for me. Say oh 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 hey, yeah, girl. Hey, say oh oh oh. Now I need everybody in here to sing this chorus like you sing it. Come on. If you like it, then you should've put a ring on it. If you like it, then you should've put a ring on it. Don't be mad, I want you to see that you want it. If you like it, then you should've put a ring on it. Should stay. I leave your way. So I'll go, but I know how the step the way. And love you. We'll always love you. Scream so loud for you. We love you, Whitney. When those walls are built, building a tunnel road. They didn't even put up a fight. They didn't even let. I found a way to let you in, but I had it down. Standing in the light of your. Got my angel now. It's like I've been awakened. Every rule I had you breaking. It's the risk that I'm taking. I will never shut you out. 'Cause everywhere you're looking now, I'm surrounded by your grace. Maybe I can see your halo. You know you're my saving grace. You're everything I need and more. It's written all over your face. Maybe I can feel your halo. I pray it won't fade away. Halo, halo, halo. Sing it, y'all. Halo, 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 hit me like a ray of sun, burning through my darkest night. 'Cause you're the only one that I want. Think I'm addicted to your light. I swore I'd never fall again, but this don't even feel like falling. Gravity can't begin to pull me back to the ground again. So I've been awakened. I had you breaking. It's the risk that I'm Pray you won't fade away. I pray you won't fade away. I pray you won't fade away. Hey, Lord, don't fade away. Hey, Lord, don't fade away. Hey, Lord, hello, I can feel it. Ooh, can't you feel it? I can see you. Yes, I can see you. We can be Hey, Lord. And the answer knows coming, and our child could change. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank y'all so much. I want y'all to give it up for all the beautiful people on this stage tonight. Thank you to all the amazing artists that came out. Thank you for all of the incredible women around the world. A special thanks to Frida and Salma. Thank you guys. I hope you had a wonderful night. Say time for change. Make some noise.